youths maybe say they go they talk say they don't want to marry a pastor, they don't want to marry anybody where they worship God. Say they want to marry person where man way get money, man way do this, man way do that. Not true. Many girls they talk that thing. You understand? Man will they come for their hand in marriage. If they don't notice say the man a pastor, they will say no. I don't want to marry a pastor. I don't want every time I go to pray. Maybe when I no get straight to pray. The man will say make I come they pray. Say no, I don't want that kind of thing. God forbid. No, people will marry man of God and they try. So Moses, please don't already see everything. You don't talk and finish. Okay, I bring down the video for you to watch. Thank you.
There are some statements you cannot make anymore. I don't want to. I cannot marry a pastor. We don't want to marry you. It's not personal. We too, we don't want.